Look at that,
Thank you.
Keelan.
What?
Whoa.
Whoa. How beautiful. Oh.
Yeah.
Is that? Oh.
No.
That's, she's like, I'm hungry. I told you I was
Yes,
hungry.
Cracker, get me something
Well.
to eat.
No paper.
Those pita crackers.
Yeah, try those on
You think the
Oh yeah, the cheese crackers are good.
Yeah.
What do you have? We don't want to eat that. Oh, thank you.
Here, darling.
Oh, so yummy.
Oh, what'd you get,
So
Keelan?
yummy. Let's see, what do we have?
Whoa.
How beautiful.
Pretty dress.
Thank you. Thank you, a beautiful Christmas dress. Can I eat it?
No.
Say thank you. Look.
It
Yeah.
has those fuzzy balls I like to pull off.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Another
Keelan.
bite? Another bite? Another bite. Bite? Good girl.
Be gentle. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Where's Auntie Dale? She
Well,
feeling all right?
then,
She's taking a nap.
Oh.
she had a headache.
Headache.
Yeah.
Oh.
What's in here? What's in here?
What else did you get?
Can you pull the paper? Pull the paper. Good girl.
Whoa.
What's that?
Yay.
Oh, a purse. Oh, your very own handbag.
What's in it, Keelan?
What's in it? Here. Oh, open.
What's inside? More cheese, please.
You want to pull? What's in it?
Well done, Daddy.
Nice little collage of balloons.
Princess balloons.
You don't say you've got your cell phone?
Oh, a cell phone.
Does it have an on and off button? Does it have Siri?
No.
Oh, amazing. And
A
a
compact.
compact. Oh, that's fantastic.
And a
a
coin purse.
coin purse. That's great. A corn purse is what I was saying.
Mhm. Oh, you can put corn in it.
She probably will.
If she's anything like mine were. Here, baby.
Say thank you.
Looky there.
Oh, of course. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. It's for you. Beep.
That's right. You know what to do, don't you?
That's right here. Beep. Beep. Beep.
Hello, can I help you? Hello, can I help you?
Oh, sugar.
Yeah.
Sugar, sugar, sugar.
Hello.
No, those are just cheese
And
drops.
your little compact.
Who's the baby? Who's that baby?
Does that look familiar?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's awesome.
You bet.
Say thank you so
Your
much.
crown, your crown, just sitting on. You should have seen it when she picked it up.
Hello. Hello.
Like her face, she's like, I was like, oh yeah.
Good job.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
nice. Hello.
Mine.
Hello.
Oh, she was so excited about that ring and free.
Okay.
Well, thank you so
Here you
much.
go.
Oh,
You wanna do-
more.
Yes, you want to do more presents?
Oh, here.
What's in this one?
Here. Oh, thank you. I'll put this
Pull the
up.
paper.
Pull it out, baby.
Pull the paper. You pull paper?
Oh, you're gonna eat it?
Here. What's that?
Fish a little
Can
more.
you get her? Can you get what's inside?
In there, yeah. What's in
What
there?
is it?
Oh.
Oh, a little baby. It's a baby for the baby. Oh, yes, beautiful. Give her kisses. Give her. Oh, good kiss. Is this your baby? Oh. Oh, yes. Flower. Yeah.
She has flowers just like Keelan has flowers.
Yes.
Maybe time to do cake.
Thank you, baby. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Keelan. Hey, stinky butt.
Okay. Are we ready? Should I light it first?
Yes, light it.
Oh.
Baby and mom.
I was only kidding about one of the candles you can't blow out.
All right.
Oh.
Are you ready? Don't touch.
Happy
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
birthday,
dear Keelan. Happy birthday to you. And many, many more.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to blow a wish? No, don't touch it.
Can you
Ready?
blow?
1,
Blow.
2, 3.
Oh.
Can you blow?
Blow.
With
Want to
it?
blow it out?
Blow.
Want to blow it out? Want to try?
Make a wish. Blow it out.
There we go. I did it.
Yay! Whoa!
Got it.
Yay!
Oh,
Oh.
Oh.
yes. That's your cake.
That's your cake.
Have a bite.
I think I will. Thank you very much.
Oh, sugar.
Whoa!
Oh.
Mmm.
Oh, so dainty. That's so surprising.
Yeah, wait.
You want to put a big one?
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's more like
boy.
it. Yeah.
Now that we have cute pictures, I'll put it.
Oh boy. You like that?
Ooh.
Oh boy.
She's playing
Look,
with it.
Mommy.